Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the BOSCH AM466S, a AeroTwin front wiper set. These are only the set for the front wiper blades, of course. It matches to Chevrolet Aveo hatchback, Aveo notchback, Citroen Berlingo van, Berlingo platform, chassis Alfa Romeo, Mito, Fiat 500L, Linear Grand Punto, Ford Fiesta, Opel Adam, Corsa D, Peugeot 2008, 208 Partner and Partner TP, and of course the Vauxhall Corsa MK4. Because of this, I bought this product for the Vauxhall Corsa MP4, and in this case I made a delicious and nice assembling video about these wiper blades. It's a nice quality, it's reliable even at high speed. The aerodynamics design of AeroTwin ensure you the best visibility even during challenging weather conditions, and this is right. These are the best wiper blades I ever used before, because the old ones are so not so good, really not. They're okay, but this is the top. This is the top product for your car, every car, because of the AeroTwins are available for so many different car types. And inside here are two blades, one 26 inches and one 15 inch. The 15 inch is for the passenger side, and the other is for the driver's side, of course. And it's made of one huge blade. And this is a nice and easy to assemble product, and as you can see, there's a measuring line on the side, so you do not need anything to measure again. That was a little bit of fun, as you can see or as you can hear. Its tailor-made spring strip ensures the highest wipe quality at any point on the windscreen. Let's head back. A windscreen wiper or windshield wiper, this is American English, is a device used to remove rain, snow, ice and debris from windscreen or windshield. Almost all motor vehicles, including cars, trucks, buses, trains, locomotives, watercraft with a cabin, and some aircraft are equipped with such wipers, which are usually a laser requirement. And you can see installation easy, lifetime long, wiping quality is awesome. A wiper generally consists of a metal arm pivoting at one end and with a long rubber blade attached on the other, and this is all weather safety. And so this product looks in real shape, as you can see. And the arm has so many power, and the durability is about, I think, 3 years plus. You do not have to replace them each year, and it's easy to assemble. You only have to disassemble the old one by pushing the two plastic locks in the middle, then extract them, and after this you have to lock in the new blades at the arrow side first, and then push them in position with these two plastic locks. And this is easy to assemble, easy to store, easy going, as you can see. And I think these are the best wipers ever. Bosch made this awesome German quality. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.